The people have voted the Republicans to make what seems to be an impossible task. The Republican Party faces a complex challenge in balancing the reduction of governing red tape with the imposition of tariffs to avoid financial impacts on American consumers. This delicate task involves navigating the intricacies of trade policies, economic growth, and international relationships. When Donald J. Trump and his disruptor-built caucus take office in January of 2025, they will enact many changes that we will get to have a more accurate look into what and how tariffs will be implemented by Republicans. Cutting red tape to build economic growth. The Republican agenda often emphasizes reducing regulatory burdens to spur growth within the country. By extending tax cuts and slashing red tape, they aim to create a more business-friendly atmosphere that encourages innovation, investment, and productivity. However, this approach comes with its own set of challenges, including potential costs and the need to balance short-term gains with long-term economic pressures put on the consumer. Tariffs and the financial concerns. Tariffs are a double-edged sword. While they can protect domestic industries and jobs, they also risk increasing costs for consumers. For instance, tariffs on imports from countries like Canada can lead to higher prices for goods, effectively acting as a tax on American consumers. The transfer of oil from Canada to the United States is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it ensures a stable supply of energy, which is essential for the functioning of the economy and daily life. The U.S. imports a significant portion of its crude oil, primarily from Canada, to meet its energy demands. This imported oil is refined into various products like gasoline, diesel, and other petrochemicals that are vital for transportation, manufacturing, and heating. Putting a 25% tariff on Canadian oil would increase the cost on oil and transported products across America, costing the American citizens more at the pump until when making purchases. While the oil industry supports millions of jobs and contributes significantly to the infrastructure for transporting and refining oil, including pipelines, refineries, and shipping, this creates employment opportunities and generates substantial revenue for both federal and private corporations. Additionally, having a reliable supply of oil products helps to keep energy prices stable, which is beneficial for consumers and businesses across North and South America.
Will there be carve-outs for primary trading partners? To mitigate the negative impact of tariffs, Republicans are going to have to consider carve-outs for primary trading partners and friendly American companies that rely on exported resources. These carve-outs can help maintain strong trade relationships and ensure that essential goods and services remain affordable in the long term if tariffs remain in place. By strategically selecting which industries and partners receive exemptions, the American government can support critical sectors while minimizing economic disruption to local companies. Supporting friendly American companies on crucial imported resources, Republicans can minimize the impact on the consumer. Supporting American companies that require imported resources is crucial for maintaining a competitive edge in the global market. By providing targeted relief and incentives, the government can help these companies thrive despite the challenges posed by tariffs and regulatory challenges. This approach not only supports domestic businesses, but also strengthens the overall economy by fostering innovation and growth within. As the Republicans are nearly close to taking over the helm, they have their hands full, tasked with cutting red tape throughout government agencies and managing tariffs. The process will require a nuanced approach that balances protectionism with economic pragmatism. By carefully considering carve-outs and supporting key industries and allies, they can work towards a policy framework that promotes growth without inflicting financial struggles for the consumers.